I gotta kill her straight away. Get in. He's just gone past me at the hook here. It's the trapper. I'm not sure if that was recording or not.
And he just went past me as
I
well.
didn't get the prompt.
Coming over to you.
TV was recording.
Clearly he isn't fucking great anyway.
He just gone past me at that tree and I had no time to hide.
I did a fucking chest and all over there. And just tucked in and went straight out.
Try and get this dude to not pop this.
Yeah. I'm going the way the killer went because no doubt he'll come across the map here.
He's coming from this way. Yeah. Coming from my direction.
There's a couple of times over here. Man, this is just open fucking ground over here.
Yeah, there's another Jenny at the car crusher. I touched it, just keep him guessing. Yeah. I think he's over the other side. Seen movement over there. It didn't look like that. Survivor. He's on the other fella. Get to the middle, Rob. We'll find the one in the middle. It's such a small map. Take the drop in here. Okay. That's not the first time that's happened tonight. I've ran into the... He's not gone for the basement. I ran into the basement. Have a look in the chest here. Hey man, got off. Nice.
Okay.
Purple toolbox.
I wonder, is there a shortage of fucking...
He's chasing you, man, here. Where's the one in the middle? He's chasing your man around over here. I'm looking for the one in the middle of it. I can't seem to fucking find it. There is one. I'm just gonna go to this one over here.
Okay, man.
I couldn't seem to see one in the middle.
Okay, killer's moving anti-clockwise back around. No, going back to me. Just put my trap on.
I'm clockwise from the car crusher. Find out if it's still in the same area. Let's see if I can 99 there. I may try and pop this one because there's one that's close to it. It's within viewing distance. So he's dropped it. I will. I'm going to pop this one that way. Because I can see one very clearly. Clinical see. Count both of these easily. And use half a toolbox. Getting about traps. Keep an eye out on traps.
I'm going to the Jenny over by the...
There was another one here, Rob. And there's one over by the bus. I'm gonna take the one by the bus first.
He's not camping anyway.
Oh,
He's going back to him now.
going back. There's one here by the bus. There's a quarter done. Dialed on it.
He'll be heading back that way, right?
Is he?
He will do. Your man got him.
Your man got him, so he'll go for that. Oh, and there was another one right beside it here, Rob.
Yeah,
That you?
it's me on it. Yeah. Switch to toolbox with me.
I've been on my toolbox, Rob. To get this, when we're nearly done, I'm going back to the one I had ready.
I hit that.
Yeah, I'm going back to the
That
one
was
I
in
had
the way.
ready, right? As soon as we get this up, I have one ready over there. He may come our way. 150 it.
150 to force. I was a little more conservative on the second.
Right, when this is nearly done, let me run, Rob, right? Right, leave it to you. I have one ready to go. The man's after getting him, so the killer's gonna be kept busy. It wasn't this one. Where? Where did I have that ready to go? Did I bunny off? I think somebody's at the popping it, Rob. And it's actually over by the bloody killer. I'm running to help this dude. I had one ready, what the fuck? I think, didn't I? Oh, the killer's close, hang on. Somebody popped the one I had ready, I think, Rob.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, pop yours, Rob, if you can.
No, it was a total.
Nah, he's looking for this dude over here. Bashing this bin. That means he'll fuck off for a bit.
The one at the crusher is fucking barely touched.
No, I'm maybe I'm not getting lost somewhere else. I was sure I had one. I did 199 and left them. I think that might have been the one to do pop, to be honest. This dude is injured running around by the shack. The other fella. Killer went off clockwise by
Yeah, I'm half eight. I'm over at the door. He's heading back to the middle.
Is he? I see him.
I'll get your man here a bit.
Still heading clockwise. Still coming clockwise. Oh, I'm really gonna get this. I don't think I'll get it out before he shows it. Not without taking a smash off.
Let me know when you have a heartbeat and I'll fucking...
It's coming.
Okay.
Shit, I just jumped down at the Jenny.
Give you a distraction.
I don't know, did he see me? He didn't see me. He's having a look. He's having a read. No, he didn't see me. Not yet, anyway.
There's a distraction.
He went for it. What'd you do? Was it a trap?
Hook.
Hook. That'll do, yeah. Keep it up.
Yeah,
Right.
he's heading over to it now.
Look for the door, Rob.
I'm looking at him. Killer's over here then.
I've got one off to me right. He's probably going to come from my door, considering it's where the...
Your door is good at the moment.
Hang on.
He's setting a trap at my door, so we'll be able to get him back away from your door when he gets too close.
Right, hang on. Tell me when he's leaving. I still need to get to it. I'm not at it yet.
He's still over my way. No, he's heading your way. He's heading
Right,
your way.
I'll leave it. Ah, he'll go for your man, I think.
Yeah, get that door. I'm gonna get your man out of it. Okay, he's got your man.
Right, my door is almost open. Got the warning sound. Door's open. Right, I'm back in, heading back in towards...
Go towards your man, yeah.
Yeah. I found the hatch. It's at my door.
Just
Right.
cool, your man is off and he's coming my way. Good lad.
Lovely.
Keep going.
I'm gonna bail in and lock up by the hatch until I'm needed.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get out, right?
What's the dude doing? The injured dude. Where's he, Rob?
Middle of the map somewhere. I can't see him at the moment. The killer has put a trap.
Is your door open?
Yeah.
Did you pop it?
Yeah.
Oh, your man's out. Your man's out. Get out, Rob.
Go to the traps or the hatch.
Yeah, have it. Have it.
I'm out.
Moved away from it a bit. Now look, it opened almost instantaneously. That game against Moyers left me hanging for ages.
Yeah. Only 27 for that.
Let's go, be killer.